Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if AutoRecover function is not working in your Microsoft Excel. AutoRecover is a built-in feature in Microsoft Excel that allows saving all open Excel files at a fixed location for a fixed interval specified by a user. Now, there are two primary reasons the auto-recover feature will stop working. One of them is if the auto-recover feature is disabled, and the second one is due to Excel file corruption. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step is to make sure you have enabled the auto-recover option in Excel. To do this, you will have to open Excel, click on File at the top left corner, and then click on Options. Under Options, you will have to click on the Save tab. Under Save tab, you will have to make sure Save Auto Recover Information every is been checked, and make sure it has been set to 1 minute. That is, every 1 minute the auto recover function will save the file. And at the same time, make sure you have keep the last auto recovered version. If I closed without saving, that needs to be checked. At the same time, you can also specify the auto recover file location. Currently it is being set to app data roaming. In case if you want to change it to something else, you have an option to change, but Microsoft strongly recommends to keep this location as is. Now, once these options are selected, you may click on OK. With this, you should have the auto recover function working properly. In spite of keeping the auto recover function enabled on your Excel, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could try is you can try disabling the conflicting Excel add-ins. To do this, there are a couple of steps which you need to try. You will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run, and then in the run window you will have to type Excel /save. So what you're trying to do here is you're trying to open Excel in application safe mode. So this will disable all the third-party add-ons associated with Excel. Click on OK. So this will open Excel in application safe mode. You may click on OK in case if you get any message. In this mode, you will have to check if the auto recover works. In case if the auto recover functionality works in application safe mode, it is an indication that there are third-party add-ons which are conflicting with your Microsoft Excel. So you might want to consider disabling those add-ons. To disable those add-ons, you will have to click on File at the top left corner and then click on Options. Under Options, you will have to click on Add-ins. Under Add-ins, you may choose the COM add-ins from the drop-down list under Manage and then click on Go. So these are the add-ons which will be enabled on your computer. In case if they are enabled, you will have that those boxes will be checked. In case if they are disabled, these boxes will be unchecked. Now, in case if you want to delete or disable those add-ons completely from your computer or from your Excel, the best thing to do is you can select any of the add-ins here and then click on remove. That should remove the add-ins from your Microsoft Excel. Once this is done, you may close Excel, reopen Excel, and check if your auto recover function is working fine. In case if it works fine, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, the next step is to fix Microsoft Excel auto recover not working with open and repair tool. Now, like I mentioned earlier, corrupted Excel files can also lead to auto recovery not working in Excel problem. So if you think that your auto recover feature not working due to file corruption, you may try to open the file using open and repair option. To do this, you will have to open Excel. Once you have Excel open, you may click on open and then click on browse. You can browse to the location where you have saved your Excel file. It could be in the documents or it could be any of the location. From the list, open list, you will have to choose the option which says open and repair. Select the Excel file and then click on open. So this will open the Excel file on your computer using open and repair option. Now, when you're choosing this option, you would get a prompt saying that you want to repair the file or extract the data. So it is recommended to choose repair. Once that file is open, you may try to resave the file to the different location and check if your auto recover function is working. In case if it is working, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now, the next step, what you could do is you can go ahead and update your Excel to the latest version. To do this, you will have to open Excel. Once you have the Excel open, you click on File at the top left corner and then click on Account. Under Account, you would see an option which says Update option. and choose the option which says update now. So basically what this will do is this will go ahead and check if there are any updates available for your computer. In case if there are any updates available for the computer, it will try to go ahead and install those updates. Once the updates are successfully installed, restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. So in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, the next step what you could do is you can try to repair Microsoft Office. To do this, you will have to open programs and features. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type appwiz.cpl. I will mention this command in the video description. Click on OK. This will open the programs and features on your computer. So basically this is the list of softwares which are currently installed on your computer. In this list, you will have to locate for Microsoft Office. It would be in alphabetical order. Currently, I'm using Office 365 for Business. It could be different in your case. It could be Office 2019 or any other application, 2010. So once you have located Office, you will have to highlight it and then click on change. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have this prompt, you would have two options. One is quick repair and online repair. So I would strongly recommend you to go ahead with the online repair. Once you have selected online repair, you may click on repair. Wait for the Office repair to complete. So this will try to replace any corrupted Office installation file on your computer. Once the repair is complete, you may close this window, restart your computer, and once you restart your computer, your issue should be resolved. So in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.